therapy is completely unique in the fact that we can actually create that thermal response in tissue that we're looking for non-invasively at layers that a cosmetic surgeon likes to operate at when they're doing a facelift. Ultrasound can get to the deep parts of your skin layers without disrupting the surface. That ultrasound therapy goes below the surface of your skin to actually heat the tissue and create this response that generates new collagen and elastin.
I am thrilled that I did the Ultherapy treatment. When I look in the mirror, I feel like I look younger and better. I will say though that I noticed immediately the results. I went back to work right after the procedure, and one of the girls who sits near me said, "Did you get a nap at lunch?"
After I had Ultherapy done, the #1 thing that people would say to me out in public is, "You've lost weight, haven't you?" And I hadn't lost any weight, you know, so they were saying that because I think my face looked a little bit more toned. It had a lift to it. You should consider Ultherapy as a man because it makes you feel good. If you feel good, you go out and perform better. It's been taught through sports, it's been taught through competition, it's been taught in our society forever. There's no reason women should be the only ones to always feel good.
Special report, Wrinkle Rehab. This is where we explore the newest anti-aging therapies. And a star of the Real Housewives of New Jersey is trying an innovative new way to tone and tighten her skin and look years younger without surgery.
Ultherapy uses ultrasound to lift, tone, and tighten loose skin. Dr. William Song, here with another patient, says this is one of his favorite anti-aging therapies because there's zero downtime.
What kind of results do you see?
We're seeing a lift. We're seeing firming of the skin. It's more like turning back the clock.
Did it really make a difference?
It really did. I mean, I can tell a lift here.
Here is Jacqueline before, and this is after. But the results weren't instant.
Over, 3 to 6 months, it just gradually gets tighter and more tone.
Now, Entertainment Tonight, the worldwide leader in entertainment news.
And have you seen how terrific Courtney Cox looks these days? Well, let's get started with Courtney's beauty secret revealed.
90% of the time, I'm just such a positive person.
She may be labeled a cougar on TV, but in real life, Courtney Cox sure doesn't look like a woman about to turn 50.
In part, that's because Cox has admitted to undergoing Ultherapy. No knives, no lasers. Ultherapy uses ultrasound technology to stimulate collagen production, which tightens the skin. From her friend's days to now, look at how the skin around her neck stays tight.
Here at Roxpo, we're seeing a huge demand for Ultherapy, especially moving into award season. This is a great treatment that is minimally invasive, minimal discomfort, and it's something that you can do and be red carpet ready within a week.
Board-certified plastic and reconstructive surgeon Dr. Kevin Brenner says Ultherapy is great for people who don't need a facelift just yet.
Ultherapy you do once, and you start seeing results about 2 weeks after the treatment, and that results actually improve over approximately 3 to 6 months following the treatment.
The procedure takes just about an hour, may cause some redness, and cost between $2,500 and $3,500. Courtney admitted to trying Ultherapy, telling New You magazine, "You know what? I'm game for anything. I'm very open to trying to prolong the inevitable."
Have you heard? For the first time ever, there's an injectable treatment for moderate to severe fat below the chin. The best part? It can be administered by your doctor right here in our office. The injection procedure takes 15 to 20 minutes, and it doesn't require any surgery. Kybella deoxycholic acid injection is a first-of-its-kind injectable treatment that reduces fat under the chin or submental fullness for a contoured profile. No surgery required. Submental fullness can impact a broad range of adults, including both men and women. So, what causes submental fullness? Submental fullness can be caused by a variety of factors. Sometimes, even with diet or exercise, submental fullness may not go away. According to a 2015 survey conducted by the American Society for Dermatologic Surgery, 67% of people said they're bothered by submental fullness. If you're one of the many people bothered by submental fullness, ask your doctor if Kybella is right for you. Kybella is a series of injectable treatments tailored by you and your doctor to gradually improve your chin profile. Up to 6 sessions spaced at least 1 month apart may be needed. So, how does Kybella work? Kybella is a non-human and non-animal formulation of deoxycholic acid, a naturally occurring molecule in the body that aids in the breakdown and absorption of dietary fat. When injected under your chin, Kybella destroys fat cells. And once those cells are destroyed, they can no longer store or accumulate fat. The results of Kybella speak for themselves. In clinical studies, 79% of people treated with Kybella had improved satisfaction with the appearance of the area beneath their chin, compared with 34% of people treated with placebo 12 weeks after last treatment. Kybella patients reported improvement in the visual and emotional impact of submental fat when asked how happy, bothered, self-conscious, embarrassed, old, and overweight they felt with respect to the amount of their submental fat after they received treatment. According to one Kybella patient,
"I consider myself a pretty confident person, but one of my main insecurities had always been my double chin."
Another Kybella patient tells us, "I've always been at a healthy weight. I tried exercising, but it didn't matter what I did. I still had a double chin. With Kybella, I don't feel like I'm trying to hide something anymore."